Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an age restricted channel in Discord. It could be a voice, it could be a text channel. I think it could be a voice channel, I'm not sure, but I'm just going to select create channel and I'm going to select text here, and I'm just going to type in not safe for work, and I'm going to select create channel. Then I'm going to select edit channel here, and if I scroll down in overview, I can enable a age restricted channel. You do have to be an admin or like the owner of the server. Press save changes, escape, and here it will show this kind of image before you continue. It will also show it here. You can also select nope or continue. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Let me see if I can do it with voice channel. I don't think I can. Oh, actually I can do that. Save changes. And it's pretty much the same. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.